Let's do a get ready with me. Wait, not that kind of get ready with me. Today, I'm going to visit some mines here in Wyoming, and I invite you to get ready with me for a busy day. First off, the gear I wear. It's Wyoming, and I end up in all different types of places and elevations, so I have layers. Safety vest, light coat, heavy coat, hard hat, gloves, glasses, and coveralls in case I end up somewhere messy. I use a lot of different types of PPE, so I'm always on the lookout to restock and replace. Then, tools and equipment. The truck has fuel, the phone is charged, the charger's here, first aid kit, and all the stuff you hope not to need but always keep with you as a safety pro. Here's my task list for today, all the inspections and people I need to follow up with. This pretty much sets the schedule for where I go based on whatever the top priority is. And last but definitely not least, we set the playlist for the drive, so I can drive hands-free and I'm ready to go.